How to set developer options for Realme games. And on today's video, we will learn how we can set the developer options for Realme device games. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you need to enable the developer options. So for that, go to your settings, scroll down, tap on about phone, then go to version, then you have to tap on build number for 7 times until you see a message like you are now a developer. So keep on tapping. Once you have that message, you have to enter your device pin or password. Then once you have turned on the developer option, now to get to developer option, you can go back to your settings and in the search bar, search for developer option and make sure this toggle is turned on. Now, in order to configure the developer options for gaming, there are certain settings that you have to optimize for your gaming experience. So first of all, you have to enable the 4x MSAA, that is multi-sample anti-aliasing. So for that, scroll down and look for an option or setting that is 4x MSAA. Here is the 4x MSAA option under the hardware accelerated rendering section. So here you have to toggle on the 4x MSAA option. This enhances game visuals by applying higher quality anti-aliasing. So once you have done that, now second setting is to go for the HW overlays. So under that there is disable HW overlays, so toggle on that as well. This forces the GPU to handle all the rendering instead of hardware overlay, reducing the lag. Now once you have done that, again you have to go to the background process limit. So keep on scrolling and there under the app section you find the background process limit. Tap on it and now you can choose at most one process or no background process. Limiting the number of applications running in the background will free the resources for gaming. So here you can either go for no background process or only one process. So on the same section at the first, there you have an option or toggle that says don't keep activities. Here you can also turn on this toggle. This prevents games from being killed when switching between the application, so turn on the toggle as well. And once you have saved all these settings under the developer option, you have set some developer option settings for the games in your device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.